I've been given this. This is chicken of the woods. We're going to have a go at cooking it. We're going to try it for the first time. Let's see how we get on. It sort of looks like chicken, and it sort of cuts like an apple or a fruit.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Oh, it smells of mushroom.
Am I right to talk?
Yeah, it smells of mushroom. Put your mouth in there. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells of mushroom. Squidgier though.
Well, I don't know, if you squidge a mushroom, they're really quite, not like you would a curry, more like you would do a stir fry. That there actually looks like meat, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, let's just give it a wash, just so that it's had a wash and it's got some moisture. It doesn't feel, there's no spores on it, there's no mould, there's no, it doesn't look off, it doesn't look, it looks fresh, it looks alright.
Yeah.
It actually looks better than, let's put that off. It actually looks better than, it cuts just like a mushroom. That bit there feels like it's chicken wing. It's weird. It's messing with my head.
Yeah.
It's messing with my head. It smells like mushroom. It looks like meat. And that's weird. Bit of butter and some garlic. More than that though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just sorting it.
Cool. Dry fry for about 10 minutes, it says.
10 minutes?
I know. But they've got a lot. We've only got a few bits here. And mushrooms can take a while, can't they? So it's sort of like small chip sort of size, but it's going golden, it's going roasted, which looks nice. It looks less fleshy now. It looks the colour that is on the screen, like chips, like potatoes and roasties, with a bit of red, with a bit of pink, salt, a bit of pepper. Move it around a bit. It smells really nice, doesn't it? It smells it's mushroom.
Right, it smells like
It smells like,
it almost smells like a roasted parsnip or something.
it does, yeah. Yes, it smells
it's
nicer.
it
It smells
smells
nicer than a parsnip, actually.
Yeah, but it's similar to a parsnip smell.
Right. Go on then, you dish up.
Well, I'm dishing up.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't know how much you want.
I don't know how much you want. It smells good, doesn't it?
I don't know, because I might not like it.
Doesn't matter.
This is yours.
Oh, you've got quite a lot.
But we've got the same amount.
Okay.
I'm having this garlic.
I'm having
prawn
some
in.
of that. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wow, it's good.
Oh my life.
Wow.
Oh my life.
That's good, isn't it?
Oh my life, that's better than good. I'm going to try one of these that's sort of roasted a bit more. Blimey. It is almost like a meat, isn't it?
Because it's a bit chewy.
Yes. Oh my life, that's... I'm really pleasantly... Look at that. Oh my life, that's gorgeous. Oh, love it. Oh my life. Garlic. Yeah, that's brilliant. Go on, what are you saying? It's not like a meat.
It's like fake meat.
But
Look at that.
But it's real, it's natural.
Yeah.
It's got fibres to it, which meat has. You liking?
I like it.
And me? And yet we all looked at it and just like, ugh. It's
It
really
tastes like
nice.
something we've had before and I can't.
Don't know. It's cool. Well, I've got some of my green onion chutney with it. I'm just giving it a bit more salt. I think it needs a bit more salt in when you're cooking it. What did I say?
Green onion.
Oh, it's green tomato, not green onion. And it's going down very well. And Lucy, let me show you Lucy's plate. Lucy the doubter. Look at the plate. She doubted. James, it's brilliant.
Only because it looked a little funny.
It looks funny, but it tastes amazing, really.
It does. It's very nice.
You can see why people go for it, can't you?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Dry, sort of dry fry, but adding some butter earlier on, garlic, seasoned salt, pepper, bit of your favourite chutney, which is my green tomato, not green onion, and it's brilliant.